Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. So here is my spring summer vibes look using my Beauty Glaze Color Fusion palette. I saw this look on Instagram. Well, not this look exactly, but using these colors, so I wanted to do it because I thought it was really pretty. So my lips, I used the NYX Cosmic Metals Fuchsia Fusion. And this is what it looks like here. And then the purple is Asteroid Aurora, however you say it. But these lipsticks is really pretty and I love them. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching and don't mind my quarantine hair. It's the best I can do with all the salons are closed. Alright, let's get started. So I'm taking my LA Pro Concealer in Toffee and I'm using that to prime my lids. Then I'm going to take my concealer buffer and blend that into my skin. And that will be my son playing the Wii. But yeah, I've been rocking these curls because and I'm going to use a Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set that concealer. Yeah, I've been using flexi rods in my hair because I hate when I sit here and flat iron my hair and it doesn't be as straight as it is in the shop, especially my roots. So this is the palette Beauty Glaze Fuchsia Fusion. I'm going to take this yellow shade here and apply this into my crease and blend it up towards my brow bone as my transition shade. And I'm using a very fluffy blending brush by Lexi. Then I'm going to take my Pure Cosmetics Festival palette, take that pink shade, using my Glamour Dolls blending brush and applying that directly into my crease and blending it up. Then I'm going to go back into that yellow, blend it out the edges. Now I'm going to take my LA Pro Concealer white base and I'm going to use that paintbrush to map out the area to cut my crease. And then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild concealer brush and bring that down. Alright, now I'm going to take this pink shade and I'm going to pack that onto the outer part of my lid. Basically the outer V, and I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush. Next, I'm going to take this orange shade and pack that into the middle part of my lid, blending it in with the pink. I wanted to make it as vibrant as I could. Then I just take my finger to blend it out somewhere. Now I'm going to take this loose pigment by NYX. And this is going to go in the inner part of my eye. But first I'm going to take my setting spray and I'm going to spray my brush to make sure that it sticks. I probably should use my NYX glitter glue, but I couldn't find it, so this was the next best thing. And I'm just trying to make sure that the colors are blended together as well as popping. Then I just took my finger with the shimmer shade and the palette just to apply on top of it because it wasn't as orange as I wanted. Then I'm going back into that pink and back into that yellow just to make sure that it's nice and vibrant. Then I'm going to go back and blend out my edges to make sure everything is nice and blended. Now I'm taking this Rimmel Wonder Swipe ombre eyeliner in pink for my wing. Then I'm just going to take an angled eyeliner brush and go into this glitter and just put it on the top, because the pink by itself wasn't as visible as I thought it was going to be. So I wanted it to make sure that you can see that I had eyeliner since I'm not wearing any lashes. Alright, and I'm going to take that same loose pigment to highlight my brow bone. And then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Cosmetics Shockwave eyeliner for my waterline. You know your girl had to put some purple in there somewhere, because purple is my favorite color. Then I'm going to take the yellow to smoke out my lower lash line, the first shade that I used, and then I'm going into that pink. I got a lot of compliments on this look too. One of my friends said that this is my favorite look that I've done so far. But she's the one that gave me the inspiration, because she sent me the look on Instagram. And then I'm going to take my Thrive's Cosmetics Lash Extensions Mascara for my upper and my lower lashes. This is my favorite mascara that I have ever used. It extends my lashes, makes them look so good, and it's the easiest for me to clean off. Like, it comes right off with some ice and water and a makeup wipe, and I don't have no residue the next morning. And it just really brings out my lashes. I mean, they're already long, but this just makes them look even longer and fuller. I absolutely love this formula. I mean, look at that. You guys can see that. Okay, now I'm taking this gold glitter eyeliner I got from the beauty supply, and this is by Kiss. I'm just outlining my crease with it. I love glitter. And I'm going to go all the way across. You can go all the way across if you want. You can go halfway, but I'm going to go all the way. Now I'm going to take my fan to dry that, because sometimes when I apply glitter and I look up, it like gets where I don't want it to be. So I just want it in my crease. And now I'm going to set my face using my Maybelline Lasting Fix setting spray. Use my fan again to dry that down. And here's the look. Of course, I got my mask for social distancing, and I went to work today, so I had to have my mask. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really think it came out really pretty. Perfect for spring, perfect for summer, and I love bright colors. Bright colors make me happy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Stay tuned for my BoxyCharm video I will be posting next week. Love you guys so much. Stay safe. Bye.